Have you ever wondered how to make money with ClickBank? Well, here's a glimpse into the world of ClickBank, a platform that's much more than just a global retail marketplace. ClickBank is a digital marketer's playground, offering a chance to earn money in a flexible and accessible environment. With its vast product range and global reach, the profit potential is immense, making it an appealing choice for many. Now you might be asking, how exactly can one generate income on ClickBank? Making money on ClickBank can be simplified into 4 key steps. First, let's kick things off by creating an account on ClickBank. It's free and relatively straightforward. You'll need to provide some basic information like your name, email address, and payment preferences. Think of it as setting up your digital storefront. Moving on to the second step, it's time to choose a product to promote. ClickBank has a vast array of products across a multitude of niches. From fitness and health to technology and fashion, there's something for everyone. The trick is to pick a product that aligns with your interests or expertise. If you're passionate about what you're promoting, it shines through and resonates with potential customers. Now that you've picked a product, the third step is all about promotion. This is where you get creative and strategic. You can create engaging content around the product. Use SEO strategies to make your content visible to the right audience. Keywords are your best friends here. Alternatively, or additionally, leverage social media platforms. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, even Pinterest offer great avenues for promotion. Remember, the goal is to reach as many potential customers as possible. Finally, we reach the fourth step, earning your commission. This is the sweet part. Each time someone purchases the product you're promoting through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's like a digital thank you for bringing in a new customer. The commission rates vary, but they can be quite generous, sometimes up to 75% of the product's price. The more sales you drive, the more you earn. It's as simple as that. And there you have it. 4 simple steps to start making money on ClickBank. So what are you waiting for? It's time to dive in and start your journey towards financial freedom. Remember, the world of affiliate marketing is vast, but with a bit of patience, creativity, and strategy, you can navigate it successfully and profitably. As with any venture, making money on ClickBank is not without its challenges. But don't worry, we're here to help you navigate these potential roadblocks. One common challenge is choosing the right product. With thousands of products available, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Don't rush this process. Take your time to research and understand your potential audience. Look for products with good reviews and proven sales history. Another challenge is driving traffic to your affiliate link. If you're new to digital marketing, this can seem daunting, but remember, you don't have to be an expert overnight. Start with basic SEO strategies and gradually incorporate more advanced techniques. Experiment with different types of content and platforms to see what works best for your audience. Lastly, don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Affiliate marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and persistence are key. Keep refining your strategies, learning from your mistakes, and staying updated with industry trends. Remember, every successful affiliate marketer was once a beginner, so keep going, and soon enough, you'll see the fruits of your effort. Now, before we move on to the recap, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends and family. Your support helps us create more content like this. Thank you. To quickly recap the process of making money on ClickBank, we embarked on a 4-step journey. First, we signed up for a ClickBank account. Then we navigated through the marketplace, selecting the right products. After that, we created compelling content to promote these products. And finally, we leveraged various digital marketing strategies to drive traffic. Remember, ClickBank holds an ocean of opportunities to generate income. With dedication, creativity, and a bit of strategy, anyone can start earning money on ClickBank. So why wait? Start your ClickBank journey today.